I made these patriotic tablecloth weights for my 4th of July outdoor party, but you can also hang them on a garland or just place them around the table for decorations. They're really fun and quick to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need red, white, and blue yarn. I've got extra thick yarn here, but you can use regular yarn, a large washer, pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers, scissors, and a mini clothespin. Cut pieces of yarn in each color about 10 inches long. How many you will need will depend on the thickness of the yarn that you have. I'm going to do 5 each with my extra thick yarn. Now we're going to tie the yarn onto our washer. So take a piece of yarn and fold it in half. You're going to thread the 2 ends through the washer from the back, and then you're going to send the ends through the loop at the top and pull it taut so that we've got a knot right there. I'm going to tie the next one on, changing colors each time. Do this all the way around the washer so that when you have all of the knots close together, it's full. Once you've got all of your knots tied, go back through and pull on all of them to make sure that they're tight and even. Now I'm going to trim the ends with my scissors, and I'm going to leave the strands about 2 inches long and cut it in a circle all the way around. I'm going to do one last trim to make sure it's even. I think I want these to be a little bit shorter. Hey, this next step is optional, but what I like to do is to fray the ends of the yarn a little bit just so it's a little bit fluffier. You can leave it as it is. The final step is to add the clip on the back. I'm going to use a mini clothespin here and use a pipe cleaner to attach it. You can use wire, would be fine as well. So I'm going to cut about a 4 or 5 inch piece of my pipe cleaner or wire. Loosen up one of these knots on the back, just so you can run your pipe cleaner or wire underneath. And tighten that back up again. Then run the pipe cleaner through the hole on the clothespin, and you want the clothespin to sit this way so that you can clip it onto the tablecloth here. I'm going to twist my pipe cleaner around good 3 or 4 times to make sure it's secure, and then clip off the extra ends. I'm going to tuck that out of the way. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday ideas and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.